What's up guys, Josh Luck here, and in today's video I'm going to go over the difference between boosting a post on Facebook and just running a Facebook ad. So when looking at the difference between boosting a post on Facebook and running an ad, many people may think there's no difference and think they're interchangeable. However, there actually is a difference, and I would actually recommend running an ad over a boost, and here's why. So Facebook is really smart because it's a machine with infinite amount of data, and so they know what people will do when they react to different posts. There's some people that will see a post, like it, some people will share the link, some people will download, so everyone's got different reactions to when seeing ads. And so when you boost a post, what you're telling Facebook is you want that particular post to be shown to a bunch of people and increase the engagement in that post. That being said, Facebook will send that boosted post to people who have a history of liking things frequently, to comment, who have high engagement rates in the things they see, as opposed to running a Facebook ad where you can tailor your ad to meet different end goals. And I would even go as far as to say boosting a post is just a complete waste of money. And I'm sure there's a lot of people who, there may be certain situations where boosting a post is actually beneficial, but let me jump in here to Facebook and show you what I mean by that and why you would be more likely to have better results when running a Facebook ad. So let's jump in here and I'll show you some practical examples. All right, so we're here in Facebook, and I will admit when boosting first became a thing, I really kind of took it at face value and didn't see it as much different than running an ad. I just thought it was maybe a shortcut or a quick way to run an ad without actually having to get into the demographics and stuff. So I was like, hey, this is pretty easy, let's do it. But as I started playing with it, and recently I've really kind of dived into wanting to see if there truly were results. And so, for example, on May 4th, I boosted this YouTube video, just $5, just to kind of see what the results would be. And I'll be honest, they were kind of disappointing. They weren't really what I thought, because I would just boost posts and not really look at them. But looking into the analytics, it's kind of a waste of money. So I boosted this post with the intention of people clicking on the link and watching the video in YouTube, hopefully get some subscribers, hopefully get some views. Again, it was only $5 just to kind of test it out. And when looking at the overview, you can see 88 people were reached and 26 people engaged in the post. And if you're just looking at that, you're like, hey, that's pretty good. 26 people saw this and engaged with it. So maybe $5 is worth it. But if you look at the view results and we pull up the deeper analytics, you can actually see of the 26 people who engaged, 25 reacted, as in liked the post, and only one person clicked the link. So with $5 ad spend, I only got one link click, and odds are they probably didn't watch my video for long. So ultimately, even though it says I got 19 cents per engagement, based on my goal and what I wanted people to do, it was a complete waste of money. So this is where boosting an ad kind of has its downfall, and why I would always recommend running a Facebook ad as opposed to boosting. It gets more involved when you run a Facebook ad, but you can get the results and you're not wasting money like you are with boosting. So let's, on the contrary, go over to the Ad Center and create an ad. And I'll show you exactly what I mean when I say I would recommend always running an ad. So when you create an ad, you're automatically prompted for one of these options. You can either do automatic ads, get more visitors, boost a post, which is what I just talked about. That's for if you want to get a whole bunch of likes and you want your page to look good at face value. And then you can promote your page, get more leads, and get more messages. So me, for that certain situation, wanted people to click on my link and watch my video. So instead of boosting a post, what I should have done is get more visitors to my website, which is my YouTube channel, because then Facebook will send my ad to people who have a history of clicking on links as opposed to people who have a history of liking a post. So if you click on that and create your ad, you can be targeted to people who more successfully meet your end goal. You'll always have more success running an ad as opposed to boosting a post, just because Facebook, like I said before, is really smart. They know their audience and they know that each of these has a different purpose, and so they're going to send those to people who will meet that purpose. So I hope this helped clarify what the difference is. I don't mean to bash too hard on boosting posts. I'm sure there are situations where they can help out people. But if you're looking for results, always run an ad on Facebook. It's pretty much the same price, and you'll just get more bang for your buck. So I hope this video helped. Hope you liked it. If it did, leave a thumbs up. I know it's short, but if you want more content like this, I post twice a week. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.